2070, nobody's protected the environment. There's no Clean Air Act, there's no Clean Water Act, so they're doing exactly what you're about to do today. We gotta protect our planet. Come on, let's go like
pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, oh, pick it up, 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 oh, pick it up, 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 oh, pick it up, 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 oh. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and put that plastic in that blue bin. I treat the earth like my best friend. Call me Earth's hero, I defend. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and put that plastic in that blue bin. I treat the earth like my best friend. Call me Earth's hero, I defend. Hey, it's the celebration. Yeah, got this Earth Day motivation. Whoa, gonna clean up this whole nation. Yeah, we take it one trash at a time. Ay, look at what you find, litter on the ground. Gotta clean it now. Look, plastic in the ocean, man, these turtles finna drown. No, we can't let that happen. Wanna keep them all around. Look, make it safe and sound. And on this Earth Day, we gon' get the cleaning looking better than its first day. We gon' celebrate this thing like Earth just had a birthday. Me and all my friends, we on a mission trying to maintain. Wanna make a safe space, safe place, right? Like you should put in work, ayy. Shirt is just a perk, ayy. Clean up here on Earth, ayy. Do your part, play smart, put your hands in dirt, ayy. Time to save the Earth. Look, tell me what it's worth to you. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and put that plastic in that blue bin. I treat the Earth like my best friend. Call me Earth's hero, I defend. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and put that plastic in that blue bin. I treat the Earth like my best friend. Call me Earth's hero, I defend. Yeah, like an Avenger, I'm a defender. Look, I will defend Earth. Yeah, ain't no caps. Speaking of caps, watch the ice melting. Look, this is a fact. We can act that this ain't affecting. The place we live in. Look, wanna make it better for the children. Ay, me and you together make a difference. Know we're young, but we just need you to listen. Ay, to save the earth, we gotta put in work. Not just for a day, no, we can't make things worse. So if you see a bottle, put it in that blue bin. Go ahead and grab all your friends. We finna do this again. Like trying to make a better place and clean up where we live. Bring out all your friends, look, it's time to begin. Pick the litter up until we go. This ain't for a day, it's all we know. Treat the earth just like you treat your home. It's better when we know we're not alone. Pick it up, 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 oh yeah. Pick it up, 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 oh yeah. Pick it up, 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 pick it up.